The mihi animas cetera give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now celebrating the Feast of the Holy Family. At ano pwede nating matutunan sa celebration na ito? First, let us realize, or the Church is reminding us, how sacred the family is for us. Because a family is a gift coming from God. God became man because He wished to relate to each and every one of us. But what kind of relationship ang gusto niyang meron tayo? In our second reading, pinakita po dito that God wished to relate with us, to be a family, because through Jesus Christ, we become sons and daughters of God. Si Jesus nga tinuruan tayo kung paano natin dapat tawagin ang ating Diyos. He told us, pray to God and call Him Father, our Father. God is trying to be close to us. No, ayaw niyang nilalayo natin siya sa Kanya. He wished to become part of our life. Not just part of our life, but part of our family. Kadugo at kalaman natin siya. Telling to us, He understands and loves us so much. Kung kaya nga po, in our first reading, we consider this gift of family as a grace coming from God. That we consecrate each and every one of us, each members of our family, though imperfect, na minsan nakakaaway-away tayo, hindi tayo nakakaunawaan, nasasaktan natin ang bawat isa. But indeed, still, our celebration is reminding us, the members of our family and the family itself is a grace, a gift coming from God. Therefore, we offer it and consecrate it to Him. And I think this is the message of our gospel for today, taken from the Gospel of Luke, chapter 2, verse 41 to 52, wherein Joseph and Mary was looking for Jesus. And nakita nila siya sa templo. Ito po yung simbolo ng isang pamilya. Hindi po tayo nag-iiwanan. Somebody will get lost, but someone will look for us. Ito po yung nagpapanatag sa ating puso at diwa. No? Na yes, magkakamali tayo, pero merong taong hindi tayo iiwan. At ito ang pamilya. At ito po yung pinapaalala sa atin ng ating celebration. A family should always take care of each other. Even we are imperfect being. Even though that we are not that perfect member of that family. But a family should never leave someone alone. Ang unang maghahanap, ang unang tutulong sa iyo ay ang iyong pamilya. That is how great this family is. Pero ang sikretong pinakita sa atin ng ating ebanghelyo is, let God be the center of your life. Because if Jesus is not present sa pamilya ninyo, may kulang. May kulang sa inyong pamilya. And you will feel lost and empty at not complete. That's why Joseph and Mary is teaching us a very important thing. Look for Jesus. If you feel empty, lost, or troubled, search for Jesus. At ngayon, pinapaalala sa atin kung saan natin maaaring matagpuan ang Panginoon. Ito po ay sa ating pananampalataya. In times of doubt, in times of search, saan natin hinahanap ang kasagutan sa ating mga katanungan? Joseph and Mary nagtungo po sa templo. A symbol is being presented to us. Go to your faith. Go to the church. And there find the answers of your questions. Find Jesus in that place and encounter Him like how Mary and Joseph encountered Jesus in the temple. And everything that they have heard and experienced, Like Mary, inilagay niya ito sa kanyang puso at pinagnilay-nilayan. At doon nakakita siya ng biyaya ng Diyos. My dear friends, this feast of the Holy Family is reminding us two things. How sacred our family is, because this is a gift coming from God. And the second is to make our family complete and strong. We should put Jesus in the center of it. And in every troubles, in any question, kung ano mang pinagdadaanan ng ating pamilya na nabibigatan tayo at nagkukulang na tayo sa isa't isa, our celebration is teaching us. Go to Jesus. Go deeper to your faith. Go to the church and there encounter a greater family, and that is the church, wherein you will hear and experience the presence of God among imperfect beings, imperfect people. Everybody is a sinner and lost, but all of us is going to one place to find the answer and solution to our problems, and that is Jesus. And together, as a family, as a church, we will help each other to find our way back home again. So once again, my dear friends, this feast of the Holy Family is reminding us Jesus should be the center of our relationships. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.